Alright, folks. Bandai Group Build is, one more day. Well, in a Tuesday, tomorrow. So, this is the next one coming on. There we go. This year's 2026 Eggplane Group Build. This is the banner my boy made. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. I don't know about the old couple there. At least the bunny kind of fills the part. But anyway, yeah. If you're getting into the Eggplane Group Build, if you would please, down below, let me know that you're in. I'll make a little list. Also, I'm sure Tommy's going to do one here when he has time. He'll probably ask the same thing. But if you would, just let me know. And simple rules, as always. As long as it has a Hasegawa Eggplane. Example here. Oh. Hopefully this don't blow anyone out, but there we go. As long as it has that on there, right there on the bottom. That's what it is. Of course, this one's different. It's part of the Eggplane Egg Girls collection, but as you see, there is an Eggplane, but I'll be doing that also. So yeah, like I said, simple rules. And of course, my computer just started up and it's doing stuff I don't know why it wants to do, but it's simple to fix. Anywho, that's all I wanted to get on here and say. Eggplane Group Build is happening this year. Again, let me know if you're in, just down in the description, and we'll go from there. Other than that, I'll see everybody's intro video 1st of April, or as soon as you can, that, the first week. I know people are busy. I am too. Not as busy as some, but I start 3 nights starting tonight, so I figured I'd throw this up real quick before I forget again what month it is. So until then, y'all take care, be safe, and we will talk to everybody later.